The powder of dates endocarp is a marvelous remedy for back pain, joint pain, muscle pain, and heart problems. Ajwa's powder is best, but other one is also okay. Just make the powder from any date spit and eat one half or one third spoon with water. It is narrated by Hazrat Fatima Razillahu Ta'ala Anhu that in the earlier days they used to feed the animals with the powder and and to make sure that they were well fed. But nowadays this powder is gone to waste. One of our forefathers, Maulana Abdul Rashid, used the Medina spits of dates to their wheat so it could be grinded along with their wheat so it could never be wasted.
وعبقري حسان